Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Just a quick update on office renovation update number 3. I know it's been a little while since I've done one. I think the first one I did was letting everybody know we were getting the new floors, which, as you can see, I've already shown those in a previous video. The new floors were in, and then we did an upgrade to the ceiling fan. We upgraded to this Hunter Smart Connect fan, or Simple Connect fan is what they call it, with the Wi-Fi and the Google Home and smart features and all that kind of stuff. So I showed that in kind of like a 2.1 update. And then for update number 3, as you guys can see, the paint is finally done. So we painted half of the room last weekend, and then we did the other half of the room this weekend. So all that kind of stuff is finally done. You can see everything's still kind of a mess here. We still have the ladder and some painting supplies and that kind of stuff in here. And the couch is obviously not where it is going to go yet. So we just have to clean some of that up. I got to put some outlet covers back on, that kind of stuff. I did start over here and then did those over there where I plug my computer stuff in. So all that is done, but this color is called Network Gray. I figured that fits the room quite nicely, so it's the color I went with. It's just a nice gray that kind of just fits with everything. I figured it would go good with my white IKEA furniture. I do plan on replacing this TV stand at some point, either wall mounting the TV and putting something smaller underneath it, or getting something, maybe from IKEA that matches my white desk and that kind of stuff and putting that over there. So haven't really decided on that yet, but that is something coming up in the future. And then we have the black couch, which I think kind of just, like I said, ties in nicely with the white furniture, the gray walls, stuff like that. So looking forward to getting all this finally set back up and having everything 100% back ready to go. So update number 3 on the office renovations. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.